Welcome to our part 2 of our bi-weekly video section.
Right.
So in part 1, if you haven't seen, we covered the major news impacting the real estate, particularly the 2024 budget.
Yep.
And in this section, we'll cover the market trends, the last 2 weeks, the mortgage rates, the ground reality, etc.
Okay. I think we can go straight into the market data.
Absolutely.
The weekly data, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we are going to track the new listings, the active listings in the market, and the sales data. So if you look at the week of 21st April, we have currently 16,806 active listings in the market. Which is pretty much what we had in the month of November. So if you see the last few weeks or few months, the active listing is creeping up, very, very gradually. And if you see the new listings, it is right now, for the last 2 weeks, it is 3,861 new listings came into the market. And if you compare to the last week reported, which was on 14th April, it's a slight change in the numbers. But the key point is that the sales data. The sales data is hovering around 1,683, which came down from the week of 14th April, which was 1,829 sales.
Right.
So basically, we are getting more new listings, but the sales are not keeping up. So that's why we are getting more active listings in the market. The inventory is building up. So Max, let us know, like, what do you really see in the ground? Like, is it the same trend that you are seeing in the market?
Absolutely. The ground reality is pretty much aligned with what the data shows here.
Okay.
So we are getting in our open houses, we are getting more traffic coming in. But we are not getting, the offers are not getting registered as much as we expect.
Okay.
So the basically what we feel is, the buyers are on the sidelines waiting for a rate cut. Even the sellers too. I mean, only if there's a rate cut, the buying power goes up.
Yeah.
So everybody is eyeing for a June rate cut. So until then, because weather is good and it's spring market, people are getting out and figuring out what's happening. But the number of offers registered is less compared to number of traffic we get.
Okay. I think it's still an opportunity for the buyers who are in the sideline, because if they wait for the BOC to cut the rates, then we don't know like how the market would react to that. We are anticipating that there would be more activities.
Absolutely.
At that time,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So yeah, let's watch it out. What BOC is gonna say in the next month or so, and we'll track the rate announcements as well.
Absolutely.
Okay, so let's go to the next section, which is the mortgage rate updates.
Yes.
So what do we see in the market? Like, do we see any change in the mortgage rates for the last 2 weeks?
So basically, the bond yields went up.
Okay.
So that has a direct impact on the fixed price, fixed rate.
Interest rate, right?
Yeah. So basically, if you look at the 5-year fixed, basically it went up by a few basis points.
Okay.
So if you deep dive into it, our prime is at 7.2. So comparing to April 5th, basically the insured and insurable went up from 4.89 to 4.94. And for insurable, it went from 4.89 to 4.99.
Okay.
However, for uninsurable, it does stay same at 5.34.
Okay.
There is no impact on the variable because it's pretty much dependent upon the BOC's rate.
Yep.
And for 1 year fixed, also there is no change.
So if you have any comments, please put that down and help us growing and giving your positive and even negative feedbacks to improve.
Yeah.
So please watch out our next video. So stay tuned for that, and until then,
This is Max.
this is Ransom Matthews.
This is Max Thomas.
Stay safe.
Stay safe.